guys, welcome back to my channel, Inday Watch and Lifestyle. This time, I'll teach you how to change this G-Shock watch. It's I think it's a limited edition G-Shock watch and it bought in Japan. So the model number is AW-582SC. So this is a pink color. Until now, still look good. This is already how many years. Okay, you just have to prepare some star screw to open your watch. Okay, this is the inside. So careful guys, already up. So I'll teach you how to return this one later. So the rubber is here, so you can remove this one. Still clean. So we need to remove the battery. You just have like this tweezer, no damage. You can open it more fast and more safe. So if you see this one, if there's a hole here in the middle, you just have to push this one inside. Okay? See this one easy. Okay, and you check the battery position, need the same. The battery is upside. You have to check the instruction. So let's remove the battery. Here, this is small hole. There's this one. So you can also remove this all if you want. See, I can show you the main body. But you need to know how to return this one. Sometimes it's hard if you're first time only. Okay, let's remove the battery. Okay. And let's check the battery number. 1220. 1220. Reminders, do not put like this. Put the same position like this, okay? And let's just put inside. If possible, do not remove this one, huh? If possible. Where's the G-Shock here? Okay, there's already a power. If possible, do not touch. Usually, okay, you have to put this one down and you have to up this one then so that the button can go inside, and this one, you see, you have to go to yourself here, and next is here, this one, okay, and this one, okay, you see, you need to put inside. So if there's no problem, you just have, do not remove this machine, huh? Do not remove. This is the negative and this is the AC. I'll just push this one. I used another tweezer here and reset. Okay, let's check the time. It's okay. And let's return the rubber first. This one, the rubber. Need to find this one, this area. And this one rubber, you need to do it manually. Okay. Let's return in the proper place. Okay, rubber. This rubber special, so it's hard to find. So then don't let this broken or damage. You cannot this one, if that one broken, no more. Oh, I think it's not okay. Where is that? So you have to transfer another side. This one. Let's lock. Lock. So try the button. So this is what happened. Where's the forward, the mode, and ano. Okay, everything's okay. Next here, this one, light, we have light, and this one, okay, the word time. Okay, that's it guys. Later, I'll show you again the next how to set the time, okay? Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click the bell button so that we can notify every time we have new tutorial arrival and reviews. Thank you and bye-bye.